Hey there! So, let's dive into a common problem that many people face when working with matrices. You see, the problem here is that we have a lower triangular jagged similarity matrix, and we want to apply a specific function to each element to identify highly similar binary variables while maintaining the matrix structure. Tricky, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. The first part involves a simple yet effective approach, where we reassign elements in the matrix that are less than or equal to 0.7 as NA. By using the code snippet mat_x1 mat_x1 equals 0.7 NA, we easily filter out values that are not above 0.7, resulting in a matrix with the desired structure. Building on that, a more versatile solution can be achieved by modifying the function to be more vectorized and handle multiple values at once. By adjusting the function to use ifelse instead of if, we can create a versatile function that can handle matrix operations efficiently. Applying this updated function, y_x1, to the matrix allows us to selectively retain values above 0.7 while converting others to NA. To wrap things up, we've successfully tackled the problem of applying a function to each element of a matrix to identify highly similar binary variables. By using a combination of filtering values based on a threshold and applying a vectorized function, we've managed to simplify the process and achieve our goal. Remember, mastering matrix operations can open up a world of possibilities in data analysis and beyond. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your favorite matrix pawn.